Hi there, students. Conjecture. A verb. Conjecture. A noun, both countable and uncountable. Conjectural, I guess, would work as an adjective as well. Okay, if you make a conjecture, if you conjecture, you guess that something is true. You haven't got good evidence to show that it's true. You're just guessing that that is true. A hypothesis based on incomplete information. A supposition. An idea that you think is true, but you don't have any proof that it's true. It's just a guess. It is pure conjecture if he did it or not. There is no absolute proof. The statement, "I think, therefore I am," is just conjecture. You can't prove it's true. It's something that you guess is true, but you don't know it's true. So, to conjecture, to infer on very slight evidence, on very shaky evidence, to guess at. When people don't know the truth, they start to conjecture about what really happened or what's going to happen or the real situation. They start making guesses at what's true, but without enough information to base those guesses on. This is supposition, an opinion, a conclusion based on guesswork. So political pundits are always conjecturing about what our politicians are going to do next. People use opinion polls to conjecture about who is going to win an election, because very often the reality of how people vote and what the opinion poll says are very different. He conjectured about what his friends might be doing now. He guessed what they would be doing. He conjectured that they would be talking about football, for example. Okay, so to conjecture, to make a guess based on unreliable information. What you're saying is conjecture. It's not fact. I think in a court of law, conjecture should be inadmissible. Only real evidence. But then again, maybe everything in life is just conjecture, because it's impossible to prove something is true. It's only possible to prove it's not true. But I guess conjecture is talking more about forming opinions without evidence, without any good evidence that it's true. You'll just guess that that's true. Maybe it's just a gut feeling and no more. So, yes, the gutter press is always conjecturing about the lives and behaviours of famous people and public figures. Yeah? So, conjecture, our best guess and no more. So, to conjecture is a regular verb. He conjectured that this was true. He has conjectured that this is true. Now, next question, formality. I think I'd probably give it a 7 in formality. It sounds a bit legal or philosophical. I think in an informal conversation, to suppose, to guess, using guesswork, something like that. And as to origin, well, it comes from Latin conjectura, which comes from the verb coincidere, which means to come together. Con, together, and jacere, to throw, so to throw together. So, to conjecture, a supposition or a guess that something is true, but without any real good evidence that this is the truth of the matter. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Conjecture.